back to Dynamic DIYs. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers at home with stuff that everybody has. They're really quick and easy to make, and I also show how to make a sticker sheet. So here I have a sticker sheet over here, and if you're just going to make the stickers, you just have individual stickers. These stickers are just like the real thing. They stick super easy and they will stick to anything. So now let's get to the materials of our stickers. Okay guys, so to make your stickers, you're gonna be needing a paper, something to color with, tape, scissors, a pencil, probably an eraser, and a Ziploc. Instead of the Ziploc, you can also use parchment paper or a wax paper, but if you're planning on making the sticker sheet, you're gonna have to use a Ziploc. Also, if you're gonna be making the sticker sheet, you're gonna be needing one more Ziploc as well as 2 more pieces of paper. Okay, so let's get started. So for the first step, you're gonna be needing a paper, pencil, and eraser. So if you're making the sticker sheets, just follow along because the steps are the same. The first step is to draw whatever design you're going to be using for your stickers. If you're going to be doing the sticker sheet idea though, you should have a theme to your stickers just so your sticker sheet isn't totally random. And I'm doing a summer theme just because it's summer and I think that summer stickers look really cute. Also, if you don't have the best drawing skills, then a good idea that you could use is you can take a phone or a tablet or whatever, and basically if you Google cute stickers or whatever theme you're doing, you're gonna have a bunch of images pop up and you can just choose one that you like. So over here I have a really cute chocolate image that I want to use. So I'm just gonna put my phone under my paper. And now that I see the image, I can just go ahead and I can trace it with my pencil. So once you're done making your images, you also just want to go ahead and color them. So I'll be back once I'm done making and coloring my sticker designs. Okay guys, so I'm done drawing my sticker designs and coloring them. And now it's time to cut out our stickers. So one quick tip I'd like to mention for this is that if you have like really detailed drawings, then it's a good idea to leave a paper outline around them. So for example, my palm tree, I wouldn't want to cut exactly on the lines. I'd leave it sort of like in a blob shaped. So that way you don't accidentally cut on your drawing. So I'll be back once I'm done cutting these out. Okay guys, so I have my stickers all cut out over here and now it's time to turn them into actual stickers. So you want to take your Ziploc and you want to open it up and you want to cut it so you separate the front part over here from the rest of the Ziploc. So we take our scissors and you want to cut along the side. And it's okay if it isn't perfectly even, you can just tear it as well. You basically just want to get one side free from the rest of the Ziploc. And then once you cut open both of the sides, you want to cut along the middle. So now I have one part of the Ziploc separated from the rest. Then you want to take your clear tape and you want to cut out a piece that's about as long as your Ziploc, not including the part that zips over here, or else that's gonna mess with the stick of your sticker. So I have my tape right here and you want to turn it so it's sticky side up, and we're gonna start placing our stickers design side down. You want to make sure that when you place it though, there's still tape surrounding all 4 sides of your sticker. So I'm gonna place it like this. So I have some tape surrounding my sticker. And you want to do this to all of your stickers. So on this piece of tape, I can't fit any more stickers without them touching. So I'm just going to flip this back around and place it on my Ziploc, making sure I don't place it on the zippy part. Like this, and you want to smooth it out so there are no bubbles or wrinkles. And then Like I said, you're just going to do this to all your stickers. So I taped on all of my sticker designs onto my Ziploc, and now it's time to cut these out. So you want to make sure you leave a little outline of tape or Ziploc around your sticker, so that way your sticker has the stick part to it. So for example, when I cut out my sunrise sticker, I left a little border of tape and Ziploc around it so my sticker can stick, like this. So you want to do the same thing to all your stickers. So I'll be back. So here I have all of my stickers cut out of my Ziploc. So now this next step is very important, but you only want to do it if you're making the sticker sheet. If you're not making your sticker sheet and you just want to stick on the stickers whenever you want to use them, it is still important that you watch because you're going to need this step eventually. The next step is how to get the stickers to actually stick. So once again, you only do this if you're planning on making the sticker sheet. Right now what we have is we have Ziploc on the back and we have tape on the back. So the Ziploc is covering the tape. We want to take off the Ziploc. So what you do for that is you take your scissors and very carefully you want to cut, so you cut the Ziploc only. Be really careful doing this step or else you might accidentally cut the paper. Once you cut off a little piece of plastic, then you can easily just start peeling it off, like this. So now if you're making the sticker sheet, you want to go ahead and you want to do this to all of your stickers. If you're not making the sticker sheet, then you can just do this whenever you want to stick your stickers. So I'll be back once I'm done taking the plastic off all of my stickers. Okay guys, so I took the plastic off all my stickers and now it's time to make this sticker sheet. So you want to take your second Ziploc, the one that's fully intact, and you want to take as your second piece of paper. So we're going to basically put this piece of paper inside the Ziploc to create a background. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can decorate this, but I think I'm just going to use the paper as it is. What you first want to do is make sure that the paper isn't too big. So you want to put your Ziploc on top of your paper and you want to make sure it lines up, and basically you just want to cut around the Ziploc. So I have this ready, and now we're going to open up our Ziploc. You want to make sure it's completely open. And then we're going to put this piece of paper inside the zippy. So I have this ready like this. And now we want to create some sort of title for your sticker sheet. So you want to take the third piece of paper, or if you have a decent amount of paper left from what you made your stickers on, you can use that too. So I have this much left and that's good. So you just want to place it at the top and then you fold this back like this. Then you can turn it around and just tape this part down. You also want to tape down the front end so it doesn't keep coming off like that. And now you can just write down a title here on the top for whatever theme sticker you did. So I'm going to just be writing summer stickers. So now that I created my title, we can put our stickers onto our sticker sheet. So just like this. And the reason we're using a Ziploc is because it's easy to peel the stickers off without them sticking to the Ziploc forever. So here is my finished sticker sheet and it looks really cool, and I absolutely love my summer stickers. And if you just made the stickers, then they're also really awesome because you can stick them on to pretty much anything. So I have my sun sticker over here, and if I want, I have my water bottle and they stick on super easy. So if you like this, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. I'll see you all next time. Bye.